Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple MacBook Pro 16 inch. There we go, there's the Apple MacBook Pro. I have been wanting a MacBook for a very long time. I have been saving up for this for about 4 years. I have been wanting it for so long. And I also got a USB-C hub. So yeah. So we'll quickly open up the USB-C hub so you can just see what it looks like. I have never owned a laptop like brand new. I have always been given laptops from like siblings and all that. So yeah, I'm just trying to get this tape off. I've almost got it. There we go, got the tape off. It is really hard to get out of the box. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's just a USB hub. It has USB, a HDMI, and a USB-C, I believe. And then there's just a USB-C port, like that. So it's time for me to open up the MacBook. This isn't the one MacBook that I have been wanting. I've been wanting, this wasn't the MacBook that I decided I was going to get until today. Until I went and bought it. So, because I wanted the 15-inch one originally, but they were out of stock of that. Because I don't make it anymore. So I just decided to get this one. It's a 16-inch space gray, 16 gig RAM, 512 gigs. So here is the laptop. I will open that in a minute. Let me just put that there for now. This is what else comes inside the box. So it is just the USB-C charging cable. So it's just the charging cable. Instructions, which I'll open up in 1 minute. And just the power brick. So the USB-C would plug into there. And that's all that's inside of the box. And the instructions just space gray Apple stickers. Sorry, give me a second. The space gray Apple stickers, instructions on how to use the Mac, and just other warranty information. So now I'm going to start up this Mac. I'm going to open up the Mac so I can show you guys what it looks like. It looks so nice. I love this color. This is the color I originally wanted. It was either this or the silver. I chose this color. Luckily, they only had like, I think 1 or 2 left of this color. So luckily, I went and bought it. So there we go. And then the side, there's the 2 USB-C ports and headphone jack. and on this side it's just 2 USB-C ports. So I'm going to stop the camera now and just flip it around so that I can show you guys it starting. Alright guys, so this is me opening it for the first time. There we go, take that off. And it should just turn on, which it did. This is the keyboard. The reason that I wanted the Pro is I love the touch bar, how it looks. I've seen both the Air and the Pro, but I prefer the Pro just because of the touch bar and all the specs and everything. So I'm going to set this up and then I'll be right back, you guys. Alright guys, so I just set up my Mac right now, like it just finished setting up. So I'm going to show you guys I love the Mac. I love using the Macs. I used to have a Mac with my school, but that was one of the old ones. So I'm just going to show you guys the touch bar. That's the touch bar, so you can do your brightness. You can play, pause, you can do your volume. It has Siri on here as well. I've got my Siri set up already. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.